even under threat, and I will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the law.
Na kuhakikisha kuwa mambo yako shwari kabisa. Ni siku njema, siku ambayo Mola ameiandaa ili tukaweza kuwa pamoja. This being a great day of celebration as we are shining.
Who have got the resources to think about.
You'll be joining communities that whereby people really need our care. So apart from just carrying what you have learned in the head, you have that compassion in your heart to engage with patients and be able to deliver the health up to the grassroots.
Who have got the resources to think about investing in health facilities. I am saying this because when I heard the minister, the cabinet secretary for health saying that during the third wave of COVID-19, our hospitals were full, and I was telling myself that we need to encourage those people who are well-to-do to think about increasing the number of health facilities in this country.
Which is their due. I will respect profession with consent and dignity. The health of my patient is my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confided in me even after the patient has died. I will maintain by all means in my power the honor and the noble tradition of the medical profession. My college will be my brothers and sisters. I will not permit consideration of religion, nationality, race, party, politics, or social standings to intervene between my duty and the patient.